Sabi namin, parang kulang pa.
Kulang pa.
Why not hanap naman tayo ng barbecue sauce? Yung
Okay.
barbecue sauce, gawin din nating spicy. So, we also invented the
Oo
spicy
nga, no?
barbecue sauce.
Oo. Usually, it's a little sweet, di ba? Oo. So,
So,
ito yun.
ayan,
That
barbecue
one.
sauce. Yeah, that one.
This one is the sauce na
Mm.
a little spicy.
A little
Okay.
spicy.
Okay.
So, after that, nag-isip rin kami, nakabuo kami tomato salsa.
Oh.
So, tomato salsa, perfect for nachos. So,
So, when you have that, yung parang you can just use it as a
yeah,
dip.
you can, parang, perfect for nachos. Netflix.
Oo nga.
No?
Yes. And then, this
And
one.
then we also have a sriracha rojo. Actually,
Ayan,
this is
yan.
my personal favorite, no?
Oo.
Kasi
What's the story behind your personal favorite? Like, di ba?
actually, the story behind it, parang I just tried it once na okay, parang masarap to sa almusal.
With
Tapos
egg?
with egg, yeah, perfect. Perfect with egg. And then I tried it also sa adobo. I think some may find it weird, pero I also dip adobo doon sa sriracha. But actually,
Sarap.
masarap.
Pwede talaga yun, no?
Pwede
Oo.
talaga. And then, okay, may meat sa bahay, may konting lechon kawali for dinner. I also try sriracha rojo. Perfect pa rin.
So talaga it's your sauce, your go-to sauce.
Sabi ko, yeah, I think I
Ano?
can't deny na this
Your
will be my
favorite.
personal favorite. Next will be the sausaw, no?
Which is it
Sausaw,
here? Ayan.
ayan, ito ay mixture to, 4-in-1 sauce, mixture of suka, toyo, sili, and calamansi. So it's perfect for budol fights, yung mga inihaw.
Timplado na
Hindi
siya.
mo na kailangan kasi usually tayo mahilig talaga tayo sa sausawan eh.
Yes.
Kaso minsan ang hirap, maghihiwa ka pa ng kalamansi.
Calamansi, yan.
Minsan walang kalamansi, maghihiwa ka
Tapos
pa ng
yung sili.
sili. Wala ring sili minsan, mahal yung sili. So kami, why not we think na pagsamasamahin na lang natin siya in a bottle and then just pour and then dip.
And use. Okay.
Okay, tapos na.
The convenience.
Very convenient. So, personal favorite ko rin siya.
Okay. The sausawan.
Sa sausaw.
For everything. And the sauce, the hot sauce for everything.